Okay, jumping the map now to San Francisco, California, and that big trial against the man accused of stabbing to death tech executive Bob Lee. CBS News Bay Area Lauren Toms reports the sister of the accused killer will take to the stand. It's been a fascinating day in San Francisco. The defense for Nima Momeni really hinges all of their arguments on this sister.
Khazar Momeni taking the stand for her third day of testimony, her first day of cross-examination by the defense. In her testimony yesterday, she said she experienced an assault at the hands of a man who she described as a drug dealer, a man she said Bob Lee introduced her to just days before the stabbing. Now, earlier that day, Khazar was with Bob Lee at the dealer's house. There, she said she consumed the drugs GHB and LSD. Bob left after about 45 minutes, and several hours later is when Khazar said she experienced a sexual assault. That incident prompting her to be picked up by her brother Nima. Nima riddled with questions not only for the dealer but also for Bob Lee. An attorney for that dealer maintaining that Khazar's relationship with him was consensual and voluntary, but legal experts saying that even just Bob's connection to the dealer could have been enough to trigger a motive. Now, when Khazar takes the stand again today, we can expect her to be questioned by the defense about her relationship with her brother, a man who she has described as calm and always had her best interest in mind. We can also expect them to go into drug use not only from Khazar, but also from Bob Lee. We know at the time of his death, through a toxicology report, that Bob Lee had cocaine and ketamine in his system. The defense's strategy has been to maintain that their client acted in self-defense. They've said that it was their client Nima who was forced to stand his ground when Bob Lee acted in a drug-fueled rage spurred by days of alleged drug use. This is all coming out as Khazar takes a stand once again today, with members of both the Momeni and Lee families watching from the second row of this courthouse.